Hey guys, welcome to SM Machinery. Today we're going to overview our Steelmaster Industrial SM-MGH50W. This is a universal geared head milling machine. It's 240 volts, and as I said, it has a vertical and horizontal operation. An Easson spindle 30, which operates the vertical and horizontal. We've got a large T-slotted bed, as you can see over here, so like a 1 metre by 240 bed, T-slotted and hardened and ground. On our MGH50W, we've also got a swivel table, so you can actually loosen those off and swivel the table left and right. It's manual adjustment for the bed up and down. However, we've got power feed in the X and Y axis. So simply engage that, and you've got your feed. You've also got your rapid as well, and you can also adjust the feed rate just over here. So power feeds in the X and Y. We've got manual spindle feed as well, so manually sort of pull that down, but you can actually lock this up here on the side, lock that up, and manually sort of feed that down like that. So you've got sort of full adjustment for all your 3 axes. LED work light just over here. We've got coolants. It's being a fully universal mill, as I said, you can work that in the vertical mode and just come around this side here. You can loosen these off here, the horizontal, swing the whole head around and use the Arbour, which is on the bed there. We supplied 2 Arbours with the machine. One's about a 25, I think one's a 22. So you've got 2 horizontal Arbours for doing all your horizontal milling. We've got full photos on Pendant under this particular model showing the horizontal Arbour operation. So let's get back to the machine itself over here. On the right hand side, it comes standard with a 3-axis Easson digital readout, so that operates obviously your X, Y, Z. We'll just engage the spindle now, so that's running. We've got variable speed operation. You can hear how quiet that is. All of our machines sold by Asset Plan are built to industry standards, B2B industrial use only. So that's variable speed operation, and that runs in a high and low range from 100 to 2,000 revs. Turn that off, and that was running at 1980 revs. Around this side here, so the pendant arm swings out of the way. As we said before, high and low range. You can hear the actual the geared head, the motor fan cooling work now. So it has a fan cooler that actually keeps that cool from overheating. Basically, the head can swivel left and right, of course, and as I mentioned before, the head will do a full 180-degree rotation. Nicely scraped guides, dovetails there and on the fronts, but overall just an industry-built machine used for B2B industrial engineering applications 24/7. So jump on assetplan.com.au and find our range of metalwork machinery. Thanks and have a great day.